is a show about the time we went birding.
We have come to look for some birds and take some photos and do some filming. We are at a little stream and we're going to go across the bridge over there and see if we can find any birds to take photos of. It's so colourful.
Why do they call you Mama Fire?
I smoke a lot of ganja. I'm a ganja smoker, I sell ganja.
Okay.
So that's why they call me Mama Fry.
Oh, that's
so
very cool.
cool.
I'm a very heavy smoker.
So we can hear the birds, but we're yet to really see any of them. Look at those guys on the wire, they're blue. So the last place we spotted that we want to go check out is like a little dam kind of thing. That's where we're heading now. So I don't know if it was possible, but I think we managed to fail at bird watching, and Kirsten's got her own theory as to why that is.
Because we have no idea how to freaking take pictures of birds and they move too fast, and we have lenses that are not far, I don't even know what the term is. They don't work, and the birds are asleep in their freaking nests. I can hear they're in there, but you can't see them. You can hear them, you can't see them.
If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe and do all that good stuff, and we'll catch you later.